I have for each of the following quadratic function, find the vertical intercept and horizontal intercept. So whenever you're talking about intercepts, another way of asking this question is finding the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So vertical intercept, yes, the vertical intercept is and the horizontal is the x-intercept. Vertical intercept. You can think of this as if you have a vertical asymptote, you're always going to have a line passing through an x value, right? So here, a vertical intercept, it means that this is your vertical line, and this is your horizontal. So whenever you're doing a vertical intercept, you're finding the y-intercept, meaning what value is 0? X is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, meaning you input for every value right here, so g of x, for every x value, you're gonna put a 0 in its place. So g of x is gonna equal to 12. So 0, 12 is your vertical intercept. Now your horizontal intercept, let me just make this. All right, so horizontal intercept is your x-intercept, meaning that's when y is equal to 0. So here it's gonna be 0 equal negative 2x squared minus 14x plus 12. And now here we solve for x. Now here we have a quadratic function. There's multiple ways of doing of finding x values for a quadratic function. We can either use the quadratic equation, or we can use complete the square and solve for x, or we can use the factoring method. I like to use the factoring method. However, this right here, I'm just gonna set it up. Notice that each of these terms, they have a negative 2. I can factor out a negative 2 from each term. Dividing by negative 2 gives you 0 equals x squared plus 7x minus 6. Now the problem with this, it doesn't give you a perfect factors to do the factoring method. So you have to use the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This is the quadratic equation. So you'll be using this form to find your x values.